Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you step by step how to remove green screen in CapCut. So let's start this video. You have to watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to add your green screen video by clicking on the overlay. After that, here you have to adjust it where you want to keep it. Now after selecting your green screen video, below you have to swipe left to find the remove background or remove BG. Now here you have to click on this remove BG. After clicking on it, click on the chroma key at the end right bottom. Now here a round circle will appear above your video. You have to move it above the green screen and leave it. After that you have to click on OK. Now if we play our video, here you can see that the green screen has been completely removed. In this way you can remove green screen in CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.